must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. a ghost blunt. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. I think it's it hurts when it comes to that you've been loved. Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost blunt. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. I think it's it hurts when it comes to that you've been loved. Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost blunt. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed.
Okay guys, so
Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it.
I'll be doing my own eyebrows until this end grows back, because the lady at Walmart messed me up, so I gotta keep doing them myself to get them back thick like this. On this tail, she wiped my tail off, so they're not gonna be even because of that. So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I just arch my eyebrows, old school arch. I ended up not using this. Sometimes I use this to kind of clean up anything I couldn't reach or was scared to reach with the regular razor blade. But just get you a pack of 5 Diane razor blades from the beauty supply. When I'm done with it, I just wipe it off with this. Sometimes I wipe it off with alcohol, sometimes I don't. I'm the only one using mine, so you want to sanitize it, then you wipe it off with alcohol and put it back in the box. Alrighty, I'm cleaned up. I'll see y'all later. Bye.